amazing returns. In this channel we trade pumps. We just made 1200% profit. The trades I share in the private list was Gamium. Take a look at this single trade. We made 700% profit in this trade. On the charts here, I shared this trade in the private list on 27. We bought this coin for 0.0005 and put a sell order up. We had the daily resistance 0.0045. I made $70,000. Like I mentioned before, in order to do my software track this move on the market, he needs to calculate volume spike plus buyer power. That's what I'm tracking right now, volume spike plus buyer power. And gaming was on my watch list since here when I get the volume spike right here on February 22. Take a look at this candle here. 1 hour before the volume was $19 million. 1 hour before the volume was $7 million. And after 2 hours the volume spiked for $104 million. So this coin is being on my watch list since February 22 up to February 27 when I shared this traded private list was for 4 days. 4 days. So, and the reason we put a sell order right here because you use a daily resistance. Okay, this is 1 hour chart. Let's go to a daily chart right here. If you go to a daily chart, you see this coin hit this daily resistance right here, right when they launched this coin. So in order to put the sell order on the top, we put a little row. So the highest sell order was 0.005 and you put a sell order 0.0045. Huge returns, 70% profit. Okay, let me show the trades I share in the private list. I share Gamium, we just mentioned about Bolt, HORD, Ferron Network, ODDZ Liquidity. Guys, pay attention to this thing. We don't trade coins because the price is low or the price is high. The prices doesn't matter, guys. What matters is the volume. If I just made $125,000, we just kill the market, guys. You can make the same profits I do because I share all my trades in the private list. I print screen my monitor, give the price to sell and the buy and the coin you're gonna trade. All you gotta do is to follow my trades, pumpdumpboy@gmail.com. Take a look at this volume here on liquidity. $165 million in volume. Million dollars, guys. This is a worldwide market. Worldwide. You can pump and dump crypto worldwide, okay? Next trade recap, like I mentioned, liquidity, exactly the same thing happened. Take a look at this volume spike right here on February 23. Okay, this coin is being my watch list since February 22 up to right here when I share in the private list on February 25th when the buyers control. So basically that's what happened. When you start to trade, we have buyers versus sellers. Okay, my software track the move and tell me when the market is on the buyer side. So that's what's gonna happen. So the buyers, the sellers, they walk out of the trade, so the buyers win the fight. That's when we jump in on the buyer side. That's the reason we buy low and sell up high. So I share liquidity in the private list on February 23. We bought this coin for $1.06 and put a sell order up here at $2.50. I made $13,000 this single trade. Same strategy, guys. This is a 1 hour chart. Let's go to a daily chart resistance. Here we go. Right there. The price went up to here. So $2.09. So we are doing a smart move here. We put a sell order right here, $2.50. That's how you make money, guys. Feel free to reach me out, pumpdumpboy@gmail.com. I share all my trades in the private list. I like to say welcome to our new members. Also, new members, please don't share the private list. And also, guys, the software is not for sale. Okay, welcome to Stephen, Larry, Justin, Scott, Pamela, and Brenda. Welcome to our new members. And guys, if you like to keep yourself updated about cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, follow my Twitter account, Pump and Dump. I just put a shot here on my Twitter account, so you're gonna keep yourself updated. Keep yourself updated is the best way to beat this market. I share all my trades in the private list because more people buying the same coin at the same time, price goes up faster. That's all I got to say today. Have a blessed day. And also, I'm gonna keep browse here the Pump and Dump software so you guys can understand how better this thing works. So the software is tracking the market 24/7, right? Let's go here just to trends. Let's go to swing trade, uptrend. I share all those trades I share in the private list. So keep watching my videos, you're gonna see Gamium, TrueFi, Liquidity, price went up 195%, Bolts 125%, HORD 200% so far, Unbound 137%, ODDZ 110%. This already went up 52%, start went down. Moonwell, we already made a lot of money. And Plant. All you got to do is to follow my trades. Feel free to reach me out, pumpdumpboy@gmail.com. My name is Daniel. I live in South Beach, Miami. I'll be welcome to teach you and we can trade together because together we are strong. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.